Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to create Instagram post on different niches and how you can sell these services online. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a fitness Instagram post, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also sell it locally. You can contact to the different gyms websites, and you can send them a proposal like I will create like post for your Instagram on monthly basis, because Instagram is high converting audience, so they would like to work with you. So guys, let's get started, and we will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is a graphic designing tool, and it's basically online software. You can easily learn canva.com. You don't need to be a great designer or experienced designer. And if you I will tell you one more thing, that go to my channel Iron Tech and go to playlist section, and here I upload the playlist which is called Canva Mastery Course, so you can also learn from there. So let's get started, and click on create a design, Instagram post. I will choose Instagram post here. You can also choose portrait, it's your choice. It is loading. It depends upon the internet speed. So it is loaded. In design I search fitness, and it shows me different templates related to fitness, so I choose one of them. So I think I like this one. It's great. First of all, we will choose the we will if you want to change the style, you can also change it from here. I like this one. After that, first of all, I would like to change the photo, and I write here fitness, because this person is doing workout, so I would like to put a photo here according to health. So sorry, according to fitness. So I think fitness. Yeah, this photo is good. So I place it here, and here replace background. It's good. After that, Christmas is coming, so Christmas deal. Good. Discount up to 60%. After that, we will change the logo. So I go to element, and here I search fitness. So I write here my gym name, like Martin Fitness Center is placed on this, and here I choose logo, this, and I place it here and change the color. I think it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.